gonna have a sketch battle. Now we're gonna sketch sharks. And this is my brother Omar. He says sharks are the only things he can sketch. So I guess we're gonna find out. And this is the setting, by the way. It's a pretty beautiful day. Alright. I'm probably gonna do it in side view.
Me too, man.
Okay. What, no perspective? No. What? Look at that.
That's the shark.
It looks like an ancient cave painting of a shark.
That's the shark.
Pretty cool.
And this is the farts.
The farts
of the shark.
Yeah, so he's gaining speed by farting a lot.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. I've never heard of that kind of shark before. I guess that's it. We have more sharks.
Oh, I forgot this one.
So I guess you guys decide the winner. Seahorse. Something like this. And then they have a belly. Seahorse belly. Seahorse.
Sketch a car.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do it. Alright. Not sure what's going on here, but keep going. What the heck? It's I think it's been in a minor accident or something like that. Huh?
Lights.
In the okay. The lights are facing up towards the sky.
Yeah. So that's the BMW 320.
Nice. I love the design of the cabin. Is a bit Picasso style.
Yeah.
Sketch every day. Doesn't matter if it doesn't turn out the way you want. Just gotta sketch.
Det enda jag kommer ihåg det är att det var väl han som tog bort kameran på den här.
Antagligen.
På den här stora. se när jag ska skiva ibland. Fan,
Är det så?
fan vad dåligt det är. Ja. Det är så här, det går inte att lyssna.
Varför? Alltså, vad är det som är så
Man låter
dåligt?
så jävla ansträngd. Bara dålig melodier i alla låtar. Rap är skitdålig. Det handlar om ingenting. Han har ingen sjung. Alla de delarna. Nu ska jag se.
Precis lika pinsamt som det kommer bli när du snurrar på den här.
Sure. Sure.
Ja, du filmar. Nice.
Måste ju ta vara på.
Ja, men det är en ny grej alltså.
Ja, precis.
Harry, jag går och är lite aspig där jag kommer ut och tar det.
Are you interested in learning how to sketch like an industrial designer? Then you might want to check out my course called Analog Designer Pro Pack. Now the cool thing is that the course is 100% online, so it doesn't really matter where you are in the world. You can just log in and you're right there in the members area to You can even download the videos if you want to do that. The course is about 8 hours long and it covers everything from line quality, ellipsis, perspective, marker rendering, proportions, and a lot more. So if you want to see what other students have to say about the course and learn everything that you will get inside of it, click the link in the description and I will see you there.